Hello, I am Manoj Nayak. I am presenting the concept decision tree classifier. First of all, we know that what you mean by classification. Classification is a process of dividing the dataset into different categories or groups by adding label. And types of classifications are decision tree, random forest, naive Bayes, and KNN classifier. Decision tree. Decision tree is a graphical representation of an all possible solution to a decision based on some condition. Decision made can be easily explained. For example, here is the task which says that should I go to restaurant or buy a hamburger? You confused on that. What we'll do? We'll create a decision tree for it. Starting with root node will be first of all you are hungry or not. If you are not hungry, go back to sleep. And if you are hungry and have $25 and then decide to go to restaurant. And if you are hungry and but don't have $25, then just go buy a hamburger. That's it. Decision tree terminologies. Root node. It represents the entire population or sample, and this further gets divided into two or more homogeneous sets. Leaf node. Node cannot be further segregated into further nodes. Splitting. Divide the root or subnode into different odds on the basis of some condition. Branch or subtree formed by a splitting the tree or node. Pruning, opposite of splitting, basically removing the unwanted branches from the tree. Parent or child node. Root node is the parent node and all other nodes branched from it is known as child node. How does the decision tree algorithm work? Step 1. Begin the tree with root node which the complete dataset. Step 2. Find the best attribute in the dataset using attribute selection measure. Step 3. Divide the dataset into subset that contains possible values for the best attributes. Step 4. Generate the decision tree node which contains the best attribute. Step 5. Recursively make new decision trees using the subset of the dataset created in step 3. Continue this process until a stage is reached where you cannot further classify the nodes and called final node as a leaf node. Attribute selection measure. In attribute selection measure we have two types, information gain and Gini index. Information gain is a measurement of changes in entropy after the segmentation of a dataset based on an attribute. Formula is information gain is equal to entropy of total sample minus weighted average into entropy of each feature. Entropy is a metric measure the impurity in a given attribute, and formula is entropy of sample is equal to minus probability of S log base to probability of S into minus probability of no log base to probability of no. Gini index. Gini index is a measure of impurity or purity used while creating a decision tree in a CORT algorithm. Gini index is equal to 1 minus epsilon j pj2. Here is the sample dataset that are using explain about decision tree. In this dataset each is an example, and first two columns provides feature or attributes that describes the dataset, and the last column is label we want to predict. It's not perfectly separable, as in second and fifth example both diagram diameter is 3 and color is yellow, but label are different. Let us move on how decision tree handles. In order to build a decision tree, we use algorithm called CORT. CORT algorithm stands for the classification and regression tree algorithm. In this example, dataset is a root. Will each node ask a true or false question about one of the feature, and response to that question will split. In addition, dataset into two subsets. The subsets become input to child node, and the goal of the question unmix the label For example, input of this node contain only one single type of label. So we could say that are perfectly unmixed. There is no uncertainty about the type of the label as consists of only grapes. On the other hand, label are still mixed up. So we will ask another question to split. Before that, we'll understood which question to be asked and when. It helps to unmix the label. We quantify the amount of uncertainty at a single node using a metric called Gini impurity, and quantify the amount of how much questions use the uncertainty using a concept called information gain. Then what will be to it iterates these steps will recursively build a tree in each of the new node. Will continuously dividing the data on no further question to ask, and finally we reached to a leaf. Information gain and entropy formulas are given, and the information gain of the above example is the first split information gain is 0.37, in second split information gain is 0.11, and Gini impurity is 0.44. Advantages of decision tree. It's simple to understood as it follows the same process which a human follow while making a decision in real life. It can be very useful for the solving decision related problems. It helps to think about all possible outcomes for the problems. There is a less requirement of data cleaning compared to other algorithms. Disadvantage of decision tree. The decision tree contains lots of layers which makes it complex. It may have overfitting issue which can be resolved using the random forest algorithm. For more class labels, the computational complexity of the decision tree may increase. Thank you.